What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally Friday, because today's the best day of the week. Y'all know what day it is. Let's go. See ya.
Y'all going in there? Yeah. Come, Daddy. Yeah. You don't think you do.
Still got the kegerator.
Hey.
I said, boy, it'd be nice to have that kegerator full of 5 gallons of cold Michelob Ultra.
That would be. It'd solve a lot of problems. Why don't I make no money?
No, he'd make some problems. What are you talking about? I mean, no solving.
No,
It'd make you think it solves it. For
they say that
At least while you're using it.
cold beer don't solve your problems. I said, no, but it can make you forget about them, though.
Yes. That is a fact. Not care about your problems.
Yeah, it can make you forget about them.
I don't even know where Bill is. He must have fell in.
No, I think I know where he's at.
Where's
Taking
he
a
at?
dip.
Yeah, something along the lines. Dropping the pickings off.
Dropping the pickings off.
Dropping the pickings off.
What's that mean? I hear you say that on a regular basis, Wally.
I'm going to keep that comment to myself.
Leaving a deuce.
Yeah, something along the lines.
Oh, Bill.
When he's taking a bill, don't forget to wipe your pickings.
Taking a bill.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna come in one day and
Ask him when he gets on here. Did you just get him taking a pickings or taking a bill? That's it.
I'm gonna roll up here one Friday and I'll get ready to go eat lunch and everything. Wally and Bill both gonna have black eyes and cut lips and everything, all this. Somebody asked Clay, like, what happened? Yep, it finally went down. I had to separate them.
I'm just I ain't gonna separate them. I'm just gonna try to record it. The survival of the fittest around here.
Put them in the.
If you get half the back end of the fight or whatever, Clay's getting his phone out. Come on, dadgummit!
He talking about your mama.
Hey, no, we just whoever gets whooped just gets humiliated. We're gonna post that video.
Put them in the tool cage and lock the gate.
That's it, like an Ultimate Fighter ring in there. Yeah, we'll put them in a parts cage.
It'd be good for the first 30, 40 seconds of both of them over there. Oh, I need a cigarette.
I don't smoke cigarettes.
I think you're talking about Bill.
Yeah, I don't smoke cigarettes.
Oh, so we know who you putting your money on now.
I think Wally could take him. Bill's pretty stout, though. I did see him towed a big old heavy jack all across the parking lot out here one day.
Oh, don't bring that up. Everybody be saying you cheated him again. You was the most hated guy on YouTube for a little while.
Yeah, for weeks.
For what?
Had a deal. Had a jack up here, weighed like 76 pounds, something like that. The thing was, if you carry the jack and the handle with one arm, you can only use one arm, load it up in your vehicle, you can have it for free. Nobody could do it. Most people couldn't even carry it. I give Bill credit. He got it off the thing and carried it. Left the handle right here. I clearly stated 4 or 5 times, Clay,
Yep.
you get the jack and the handle. And then they all mad at me because he didn't win it. Well, he didn't win it. The rules is the rules.
Tell Hamilton what Bill done to my torque wrench yesterday.
Oh, yeah, you talking about the one that was on the tire?
The one that he put on that stove. And he let it hit the ground.
Oh, yeah, sure enough. One just like that right there. You didn't forget to wipe your pickings, did you?
Oh, but I swear to God, I think Hamilton needs to go to the doctor.
I told you we need to make a little tray
Whatever.
and put some air freshener on top of it and say Hamilton use only.
You could
'Cause
put
mine-
burnt clutch in there and it would smell better than what
Mine
it does
don't
most
stink.
time.
Not as bad as Hamilton.
Well,
He said that's bad.
tell you what, you're supposed to spray after you get done.
I
Go
did,
in.
they're waiting.
Now, I opened the door like after he come out and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Went in there and still had to spray before I could even sit down. You got something dead beside you, man. I
Everything I eat's dead.
Yeah. It does have a point.
He does.
Everything I eat's dead.
Yep. That's true. You got any of them little micro torch sets?
The micro.
Little propane torches? Butane torches?
You look and see.
think about that cranberry color, Wally?
Not a fan of it.
Like some Alabama or
Not a fan of them either.
Arkansas colors on it. You put you a big old A on the front of that thing. Sell it
burn
as a
it.
limited edition Alabama custom snap-on toolbox,
Burn
Truck
it.
probably break down then, though.
Yes.
and it would sell in a
You're gonna have a
heartbeat.
whole bunch of haters then.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I hate Alabama.
Yeah. They probably would sell. No lie
All
with
right,
that.
all you Alabama fans, I'm gonna throw Wally under the bus right here.
Somebody's gonna get that phone call. You son of a.
Wally's phone number is
Is this Wally? Wally who? You mother.
662-867-5309. Call him.
What was
Give
that
him
one
hell.
song?
Call him and give him hell.
Yeah.
All you Alabama fans, make sure. I'll put that number one more time. 662-867-5309. Call Wally. Send him a text message.
Tell me how much you
stand him
you love
talking
me.
bad about Alabama.
I don't care.
We love our Alabama fans just as much as we
I'm
do.
dying there just thinking about the
State
text
fans.
message it said to be receiving, threatening to burn down your house. Them and their cousin wife's gonna be coming after you.
It might be coming after
phone
you.
number.
It's on the side of the truck. Get it.
It's on
Rewind
front of
the
every
video,
video he releases.
He's gonna be the only Snap-on man that has changed his phone number in 3 weeks.
You want to make it fun of them Alabama fans?
Like, I tried to call you. Yeah, to get a new number again. You get a new number every 3 weeks. Yeah.
The vinyl on the side of the truck and stay fresh.
Just put it on there with tape.
I'll tell them remotely where I live. I don't care.
All they gotta do is look for a broke down Mazda. They,
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's a rare bird right there.
A red one at that. Yeah. There's plenty of them broke
It's
down
rare to
Mazdas.
find a broke down Mazda.
It's got a tree for an engine.
No, it don't. It's just trees on the side of it. At the
They'll be
moment.
riding around Booneville over here looking for a broke down red Mazda.
Well, technically, I don't live in Boone. I live on the outskirts.
That's still Booneville.
He
I'm a
lives in the
Prentice County.
Suburbs.
I'm in the Prentice County. All
Suburbs
right.
of Booneville.
Did you get my sockets in?
Yeah, I had them last week. Forgot to hand them. So
Goodness gracious.
Get a magnets on the bottom of the batteries.
no, I mean neither.
7.
Bill's like, you got 7 batteries.
I don't get mine. I just need one magnet.
I got one guy, he told me this week, he said the magnets, he said, that's the worst damn thing y'all ever got. I said, what do you mean? He was pissed off. He said, third damn time and I lost the light because of magnets. He said, I ain't
They're
buying
too
no more of
strong.
them. He said, they all come back.
Mine
He
will stay
said,
on the battery.
He'll smooth, just leave it on there and truck drive out and he'll get back in a week or so when they come back in.
I wish I ain't that lucky.
No, mine will fall off.
Mine, they would get 300 miles away to hit a bump, and then somebody wherever will find that son of a gun. It might be busted, might not.
The rare earth part come out the magnet then and just fall off going down the road.
Oh, it
the
just
big-
disappears and it becomes rare.
It'll
earth.
bounce off the concrete and go through the windshield of a Mercedes.
Yeah.
And they'll see Wally's name and phone number. And
All
date
they
on the
want is
side
covered
of
in
it.
grease.
Yeah, we're to the people
They'd have to
bought
clean it.
one and bought brand new sockets off Snap-on truck.
You lying.
That very day, he set it on the frame of the
There's a
truck.
part
worked on
number for
something,
you guys.
And then he got
I know somebody's gonna want to know.
the socket tray come back. And they all ended up in the road somewhere.
7/16 hash, 8
I told
millimeter
y'all a
and
story
10
about the fella
millimeter.
that I sold the lock and socket tray to with the quarter, the 3/8 and a half. Don't time.
That's essentially what was in that video.
Red
on
Bay,
the pack
Alabama.
car.
The guy, he ordered the big socket tray, his lock, and he put the sockets on there. And the next week I went back and he was like, he brought the tray back to me and no sockets on it. He's like, this thing don't work. He said, they don't lock on here. I was like, yeah, they do. He's like, they don't on this one. I said, well, go put all the sockets. We'll get them these when they're back in there. We'll check it out. And I went back in. 20 minutes later, I went inside, check on them. He's got them all in there. He's like, look, he said none of them work. I took them, I locked them all, and I was like, flipped it over. None of them fell off. He said, I didn't know you had to lock them off. I sat there and unlocked them all. You know? Then he picked up, like, hey guys, I forgot to figure it out. He was mad again after that.
That's funny.
That reminds me of a guy I used to work with called Irby.
He did it earlier in the week too. Look at my new tray. Flipped it over and they all fell off already one time.
He should have picked them up. If you ain't smart enough to tug on them, you ought to have to pick them up.
Yeah.
I tug on it too much.
Listen to you, man.
Yeah.
You always
I'm
gotta
talking
cross
about
that line.
tools.
Wally.
Always got to cross that line.
Wally said,
Y'all gonna cross that line.
Every single
I
week.
live on the other side of that line. That's what Wally said.
Always
Where's it at?
crossing the line.
All
I need
right,
to find this line.
Yeah, all right, cheese grater.
Ooh, buddy, I forgot about that.
That's nasty.
I forgot all about that.
That nasty right there.
Wait,
Don't
what do you
refried.
say? I ain't never been with an Asian. But I've been with a Puerto Rican.
You don't refried
Oh,
bean and
God.
say that's nasty.
That nasty.
No.
That nasty.
Stream baby. We nicknamed him refried bean.
That nasty. Look, there's the most useless wrench ever made right there.
None.
Yep.
I still have yet to use mine.
That set's still on sale for $700.
$6.99.
$6.99.
It's on sale.
$1 off.
Yep.
There'll be a comment on there like, I can't believe Snap-on's prices is $700 for a little set of wrenches.
Listen right here. It's only $129.
You got to pay for the convenience, so how much easier to make your job in that situation.
$129 right there. I may buy me a set of them and use them for key rings.
Bottle openers.
That's a big one, ain't it, Wally?
What size is that?
Reckon that,
44.
you think that monster wrench extender would work on that?
Oh, you want to go grab it? By George, if you haven't used the monster.
How much is that set? Seriously.
What's that number on the
$129.99.
Let me see what I get it.
Made in USA. Does that work?
C0700.
That ain't gonna be the.
That's the only one on there.
Yes, C0700.
Oh, you got two sets of them. That means this one ought to be real cheap, man.
The bag.
Man, you got 3 sets of them. You need to discount them. You got too many sets of them. You ain't gonna sell that many.
One discount.
It's $12.99.
$1,299.
No, just $12.99.
Okay, I'll take it.
I want all 3.
I don't need all 3. I just want
Oh,
one.
for $12.99.
I'm gonna make toothpicks out of them. You got a set up there?
Yeah, I brought that.
That's some big ones right there. World's largest snap-on wrench.
Yep.
Takes 6 people to tote it. I'm gonna have to upgrade to Epic. I don't know if my
I don't know.
Master Series can hold the weight of them in there.
Drawers ain't gonna hold up.
All right, let's take. How much do you think it set's gonna be? Was it go from a 4 to a 9?
Yep.
No skip sizes, right? 4 to a 9.
$179.
So
4,
about
5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
so about $225.
I'm gonna say they're $135.
Price is right.
How much on them?
What do you say?
What is it? $179.
180. Well, 207. I got them for 159.
What'd you say, Bill?
I was way,
225.
way over. I was like
I
225.
won then if its price is right. Golly. That's salty for a little joker on
Pay for convenience, man.
convenience.
How many people need a 10-inch long 4mm wrench? Gotta have a 3-inch long 4mm wrench.
Man, it's $50 off.
Oh,
It's a heck of a deal, Clay.
like $30 a wrench.
Yeah.
$30 a wrench. Like if you go by grams, that shit costs more than cocaine.
It's gonna last longer than cocaine's gonna last you, though.
Hey, he ain't worked around Wally, has he?
No.
Tell him how many tools Wally lost for you just today.
I lost for
Just
you.
today.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
Wally, he works on the cover for me, so.
Yep. Well, Bill was fussing at him today. Bill said, I'm about tired of all my tools coming up missing. I said, you want me to tell you how to fix that? He said, huh? I said, quit letting Wally use them.
You know what he done? I looked in the top, Clay looked in the top of my box, he's like, they're always right here. This dummy had gone in and stacked 3 sockets on top of each other.
Apparently you done moved yours because I had one on here that was like that.
And when Bill was looking for his socket, it was in Wally's box.
So Wally's stealing them, man.
So they can buy new ones on here.
We're gonna have to pat him down every day before he goes home, Bill. Probably on his
Wally
dresser, there's a whole bunch of sockets. It's got some blue or red paint on them, and then some that's got BP engraved on them.
We can take the keys to his truck and hide them from him.
I got a spare set.
Wally be like, I got plenty of tools for sale on eBay. Either got red or blue paint or BP engraved on them.
Just ignore the color. It don't mean nothing.
Wally be like, I need brake clean today. I gotta take some brake clean to the house. I got the new tools I got cleaned up.
Uh-huh.
They calling out. Y'all got that case of brake clean ready for me yet?
Yeah. There you go. All right, so I want to upgrade because I like that little 1/4 inch. I want to upgrade to the long neck. Bill will be jealous because it's
Yellow. What does Bill have a 1/4 inch long neck already? He don't. No, this being Wally's box next week, you don't even have one. They'll be like, Wally be like, I got me a new long neck one.
You're right. Absolutely right.
It's like, dang, I'm missing one just like that.
Mm-hmm. That's what I need you to do. Make sure you get that number down right.
It's like that joke you say where it said that walking through the parking lot or coming to Walmart and some lady's at the cash register crying, can't pay for her food, her groceries and stuff. Said she lost $200 in the parking lot. So I was nice. I give her $40. You know, I found 200 in the parking lot. If I was blessed, I got to bless her too. Give her 40 of the 200 I found. That's Wally, ain't it?
Yeah. Like, hey, look, I found 5 sockets this morning.
They just laying in the floor.
They got BP on them. Oh well. I can turn it into Wally. All right, well, that right there, and then my socket sort of put me in business.
Oh, man.
You got any batteries?
Yeah, I got one left right now. Got rid of most of them this morning, but
I don't know who eats batteries around here.
coming up missing.
You can't keep batteries at all.
Always gone, huh?
Always. So
Babe.
when's all the new stuff coming in?
Hopefully 2 weeks.
2 weeks. All right, guys. We got a bunch of crap going in the shop in there, a bunch of work to do. So
Yes,
I
man.
guess we're gonna cut this thing off. Get back after it. Like always, check the links down in the description for cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Remember, Wally's phone number is 662-867-5309. Shoot him some text, cuss him out, whatever you feel like doing. Click that subscribe button. Y'all have a great one, and we will catch y'all next time.